And this is breaking news coming in this morning. Additional fresh petitions filed in Supreme Court. They are challenging the original judgment in Sabarimala case and non-implementation of the current judgment. And the top court has said that it is going to look into the matter for listing. Remember, Sabarimala temple will close its gates tonight at 10 p.m. That's 5 days after it opened its gates following the Supreme Court's verdict. Meenakshi Bhanja joining us with more details. Meenakshi, so the top court has stated it's going to be looking into these fresh petitions that have been filed against the top court's verdict.
Well, indeed, Rishi, there are as many as 19 petitions as we speak which have been filed wanting for the Supreme Court to intervene and relook its original verdict. Now, some amongst these petitions are also informing the Supreme Court about what they call the non-implementation of the current judgment of the Supreme Court. So clearly, there are a lot of voices which want to be heard, and today the Supreme Court has given a clear indication that it will decide by tomorrow when it wants to put up for listing these batch of petitions, one which are seeking review of the top court's original judgment, and secondly some voices which are also citing before the Supreme Court as to how the current judgment or verdict of the Supreme Court has not been implemented. This is a contentious, very prickly issue, Rishi, as we have seen it play out in the past, and like you correctly referred to, today the temple doors or the gates doors are going to close for the devotees. But clearly, this is a debate issue which is not going to go away anytime soon in the foreseeable future.
Absolutely, Meenakshi, and we'll continue tracking the developments as they play out. At the moment, Supreme Court has confirmed that it will be looking into the matter tomorrow. We'll be closely looking at all the developments with you, Meenakshi. Thanks very much for joining us. And as we mentioned,